Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off time zone override in calendar on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on settings. Now in the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on calendar. Next, go down and tap on time zone override. At the top here, tap on time zone override, tap on the toggle button to switch it off, or tap on it to turn it on. Once you turn on time zone override, you can also choose a time zone. Now see here, the time zone override always shows event dates and times in the selected time zone. And that's it. After you can tap on the back key or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.